Hello, welcome to the differential equation class. Myself Amar Kote from SP College Pune. So in this lecture, I am discussing things about for differential equation. So here I am discuss some things which is based on the differential equation. So in this lecture, I am use representation for discussing differential equation. So first of all, differential equation is the one of the most important topic or a course in entire mathematics subject. Since differential equation is the basic part of a calculus course. So first of all, in my lecture I am discuss some introductory thing which is based on the differential equation. After that I am discuss what order and degree about the differential equation, and after that I am discussing about the formation of differential equation as well as so in this in particular, if you observe some things, so a differential equation contains two types. One of the first type is ordinary differential equation, and second type is partial differential equation. In case of ordinary differential equation, we have only one dependent variable, and in case of partial differential equation we have more than one independent variable. So first of all, here I am discussing about what are the differential equation. So differential equation is basically part related to the change of some. It is a ratio of a two quantities. That is, if we have two quantities, one proportional to other, and if we take slope at that time, then we develop the things like differential equation. So mathematical equation that relates a function with its derivative is called differential equation, and the function usually represent physical quantity, derivative represents, and derivative is basically the rate of change of. So differential equation defines a relation between the two. So that is, in case of differential equation we require two variables. So here in this PPT, here are some things discussed, that is the origin of differential equation, but I am not going to deep things which is based on the origin of the differential equation. So basically, in case of differential equation, if we observe the origin system, that is two coordinate origin system, x and y coordinate. So that is for one variable, that is if we have the ordinary differential equation. So in case of ordinary differential equation, we just consider Cartesian coordinate system. So in case of Cartesian coordinate system, slope is nothing but change in y with respect to change in x. So here I am define the definition of differential equation. A differential equation is an equation with function and one or more of its derivative. So for example, if we write down y plus dy by dx is equal to 5x. So in this case we have dependent variable is y and independent variable is x. So that is, y depend upon x. So we call that is, if we find out solution of the differential equation, so we get y in terms of x. So therefore we say that y is an dependent variable and x is an independent variable. So that is in case of ordinary differential equation, we have only one dependent variable, but in case of ordinary differential equation we have only one independent variable. but in case of partial differential equation we have more than one independent variable. So here I am discuss more examples of a differential equation. If we write down y double dash plus y dash minus 2y is equal to 3. Now this is second order differential equation. So basically y dash is defined as dy by dx. So this same thing we write down as d2y upon dx2 plus dy by dx minus 2y is equal to 3. So in case of formation of differential equation, that is suppose we give they are given some equation suppose a parabolic equation, elliptical equation, straight line equation, or that is we have to find, or our main task to find the differential equation which satisfy this given differential equation. Like for example, if we take the family of straight lines represented by, that is family of straight line passing through origin. So if we first of all if we write down the family of equation which is passing through the straight line, which is equal to y is equal to mx. So now here m is the slope, and so that is this is general equation of a straight lines passing through the origin. So now here in the next step we have to find, or we will to find the differential equation which satisfy this equation. So that is first of all now we have y is equal to mx. So that is if we observe this differential equation, so in this differential equation we have m is the arbitrary constant. So as m is the arbitrary constant, so that is we want to remove this arbitrary constant. So first of all if we differentiate both the side with respect to x, so we get on left hand side we get dy by dx is equal to m. Since on right hand side we just have mx, and if we differentiate mx with respect to x, so we get m. So now here we get m is equal to dy by dx, and our original given equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx. So that is if we substitute the value of m here, so we get equation dy by dx is equal to y upon x. It is nothing but the x dy by dx is equal to y. So x dy by dx is equal to y is the differential equation of the first order. So this is basically formation of differential equation. That means in case of formation of differential equation, suppose we have some family of straight lines, parabola, elliptical curves, or equation of ellipse, equation of parabola. So using these things we want to find differential equation which satisfy our given equation. So in similar manner, suppose our given equation is like y is equal to a cos a x plus b, that is y is equal to a cos in bracket x plus b. So now here if we observe this given family of curves, so in given family of curves we have two parameters, that is here two arbitrary constant a and b. So that is in this case we want to remove two arbitrary constant and find out final differential equation which satisfy our given family of curves. So here that is let one thing is note that the order of differential equation is depend upon the order of that is number of arbitrary constant. That is suppose in given equation we have just only one arbitrary constant, then we get first order differential equation. In given equation have two arbitrary constant, then finally we get second order differential equation. So as like same here given equation is y is equal to a cos x plus b. Now here two arbitrary constants, so that is first we differentiate with respect to x, so we get dy by dx is equal to minus a sin x plus b, since derivative of cos x plus b is minus sin x plus b. So now here in next step again we differentiate with respect to x, so we get d2y by dx square is equal to minus a cos x plus b. So So that is, if we substitute the values in the above equation, like d2y by dx is minus a cos x plus b, so we get d2y by dx square is equal to minus y, that is d2y upon dx square plus y is equal to 0 is the differential equation of a second order. So this is basically called formation of differential equation, that is using the given equation. Basically in this topic, using the given equation, we will find out the, or we want to find out the actual differential equation which satisfy this family. So now here later I am discuss things about the order and degree of a differential equation. So now in case of order and degree, so in general, in case of polynomial case, we already know that in case of polynomial, that is polynomial, these things we always use in algebra, that is most of the algebra which depends upon polynomial, that is our basic commutative algebra or all algebraic course which contains things which is based on the polynomials. So in case of polynomials, if we or if we think about the polynomial, or if we are discussing about the some basic things which is based on the polynomial, so at that time we use the, or we already know that the polynomial have always degree non-negative, that is in similar manner, if we write down the or if we discussing things about the order and degree of a differential equation, suppose if we write down d2y upon dx2 plus dy by dx plus y is equal to 4x cube minus 24. So in this case, if we write down, or if we want to find order and degree of this differential equation, so basically here highest order derivative is 2, so that is we say that order of a given differential equation 2, and that order, highest order derivative have power is 1, so that is here we say that degree of this differential equation is 1. In similar manner, if we write down dy by dx plus y square is equal to 5x, so in this case we have highest order derivative is 1, so that is we say that order of a given differential equation is 1, and highest order derivative have power is 1, or also here we say that degree of this given differential equation is 1. So here also I am discuss some problems which is based on the order and degree of differential equation. So order and degree of a differential equation is not difficult things to discuss here. So here I am discussing about the solution of differential equation. So that is here in case of formation of that is this is the reverse or reverse process or opposite process of a formation of differential equation. That is in case of formation of differential equation, they are given some equation, and using this equation finally we find the differential equation which satisfy this family of curves, straight lines and all these things. So in case of solution of differential equation, here they are given the some differential equation. Our main focus on to find the equation or a family of curves which satisfy the given differential equation. That is, this given differential equation is either like first order, second order, or a homogeneous, non-homogeneous. In case of homogeneous or non-homogeneous equation, we construct two different methods or two different theories to find out the family of curves which satisfy the given differential equation. So basically solution of differential equation is also one of the most important part in case of differential equation.